Let's look at this algebra question here. We are given that t is given by this expression here, and we want to express x in terms of t and y. So the final answer that we are moving towards is such that x is equals to something. Alright, now in order for us to achieve this, we must make sure that all the x terms are on the left hand side and all the other terms are on the right hand side. So let's get started here. So I have t equals to square root 4x minus 3y over x. Since the square root here is for this entire fraction, I need to get rid of this square root. So the way I can get rid of it is to square it. Okay, so a square root and a square would result in a power of 1. So since I square the right hand side, I will square the left hand side. So next what I have is t square equals to 4x minus 3y over x. Now on the left hand side, t square can be written as t square over 1, which means that I can now perform a cross multiplication. When I cross multiply, what do I get? I get x t square equals to 4x minus 3y. What I want is to have all the x related terms on the left hand side. So this 4x I'm going to bring over to the left hand side. So x t square minus 4x equals to minus 3y. And since I want x to be alone by itself, I'm going to factorize x here. So x t square minus 4 equals to minus 3y. So finally, what I have is x is equals to minus 3y over divided by t square minus 4. Okay, so that is the final solution for the first part here, which is the expression. For the second part here, find the value of x when t equals to 7 and y equals to minus 30. Okay, so let's substitute those values inside. So what I have is x is equals to minus 3, y is minus 30 divided by t square. So t is 7, so 7 square minus 4. And this is equals to 30 times 3 will be 90 divided by 7 square is 49. 49 minus 4 will be 45. So 90 divided by 45 will be 2. So x is equals to 2 for the second part here. Okay, so I hope this video has given you a good idea how to approach such questions. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.